Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video. Would you ever consider driving for UberBLACK?
No.
No.
And the reason why is because I don't think they've even accepting any black drivers, like Uber black drivers, not black, the color of your skin black, but Uber black drivers. Because I remember I looked into it a few years ago, and I'm like, oh, we're not accepting any Uber black drivers in, San Francisco. And plus, I mean, is it really worth it? At that point, like you gotta, get a more expensive car. Gas is gonna be expensive. Maybe insurance is gonna be expensive. Maybe maintenance is gonna be more expensive. Then how frequent are you gonna get Uber black rides? I mean, I don't even know. Because I don't know, I believe that most people use Uber X, especially out here, because most people, they don't have cars. So they're not going to take a Uber Black ride every single day. You'll probably get them occasionally. So is it really worth it at that point? No.
Yeah, that's true. I guess it depends where you live. Like here in LA, I know people who order Uber Blacks as like their default. Like they never order Uber X.
Yeah, I could see that, But no, I probably, even if I lived down there, I probably still have a Prius just because, I try to keep the risk minimal as possible. And like I said, when people get into this, they expect everything to go well. Like they never really been through nothing, especially like during like the pandemic, when, everybody was shut down. During the pandemic, I didn't have a car note. So when I didn't drive, it was cool. I'm like, all right, my car paid off. I'm chilling. So, you kind of want to, minimize as much as possible just because most people that get into this, they not gonna drive like that. They lazy and they ain't gonna do it. So,
yeah.